Hello Blossomies and welcome to my channel Belle and Blossom. I'm going to crochet this beautiful flower. Maybe you haven't seen this before. So let's start. Wrap your yarn around your two finger and make an X like this. Insert hook, grab the yarn and make a chain. Here you can see one chain. It's up to you if you want to take out this end part, so you can. Now I have already one chain. Now I'm going to crochet two more chains. Make two more chains. One, two. Here I have three chains considered as one double crochet. Now I am going to do 11 more double crochet around the ring. 11 more double crochet around the ring. One double crochet after 3 chains. Eleven double crochet around the ring. Here are total 12 double crochet including 3 chains. Now I am going to pull this end tail. Now slip stitch into the third chain. Slip stitch into the third chain. Slip stitch done. So here is our 12 double crochet magic ring. You can pull the yarn and cut it if you are making your fine project or final project. But now I don't want to cut my yarn, so I change my yarn color like this. You can also follow this trick or technique. Now I'm going to add another yarn color. Insert hook into the same stitch. Now I am going to change the yarn color for petals making. Now insert hook into the same stitch and grab another yarn. Grab another yarn. Now make 5 chains. 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, 4 chain and the last 5 chain. Now I am going to tie my yarn balls with a rubber band so that it doesn't get tangled. So let's start petal making. Let's make 7 triple crochet together into the same stitch. 7 triple crochet together. One triple crochet together. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'and the last 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are total 7 triple crochet together, and here are total 8 loops on the hook. First yarn over and draw only one loop. Draw only one loop. Then yarn over and draw 2 loops, total 7 times. Yarn over, draw 2 loops. Again 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 yarn over, draw 2 loops. And the last, yarn over, draw 2 loops. Here is our half done petal. Now see carefully. You can see small space in between two triple crochet. Small space in between two triple crochet. You can see. Now let's start remaining part of our petal. Now leave first space and make one single crochet into the next three space between two triple crochet. One single crochet into the space between two triple crochet. Again, one single crochet into the space between two triple crochet. Again, one single crochet into the space between two triple crochet. Now make two chains and again one single crochet into the same space, into the same third space. Now again make one single crochet into the next three space. One single crochet. Again one single crochet into the space between two triple crochet. Again one single crochet into the space between two triple crochet. Now last single crochet into the space between two triple crochet. Now make 5 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. Then slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch. So dear blossomies, here is our first petal. Hope my instructions and my tutorial helps you a lot. Here you can see it's so beautiful. Now let's start next petal and repeat same steps for each petal making. Now let's start next petal. For next petal, just skip one stitch and slip stitch into the next one. Now simply make 5 chains. Repeat same steps for each petal making. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last 5. Now again make 7 triple crochet together into the same stitch. One triple crochet together. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last 7. So here are total 7 triple crochet together, and first yarn over and draw only one loop. Only one loop. From now, yarn over and draw 2 loops. Again yarn over and draw 2 loops. 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 And the last, yarn over and draw the last 2 loops. So here is our half done second petal. Now see carefully, you can see small space in between 2 triple crochet. Small space in between 2 triple crochet you can see. Now leave first space and make 1 single crochet into the next 3 space between 2 triple crochet. 1 single crochet into the space between 2 triple crochet. Again, 1 single crochet into the space between 2 triple crochet. Now make 2 chains and again 1 single crochet into the same space, into the same third space. Now again make 1 single crochet into the next 3 space. 1 single crochet. Again 1 single crochet into the space between 2 triple crochet. Now last single crochet into the space between 2 triple crochet. Now make 5 chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. Then slip stitch into the same stitch. Slip stitch. Here I am also done with my second petal. Look how beautiful it is. Now repeat same steps for third petal making. Simply repeat same steps for third petal making. Let's start third petal. Now skip one stitch and slip a stitch into the next one. And again make 5 chains for our third petal. Now make 7 triple crochet together as we did in our first and second petal. First yarn over and draw only one loop. From now, yarn over and draw 2 loops. Now leave first space and make one single crochet into the next 3 space between 2 triple crochet. Now make 2 chains, then one single crochet into the same space. Now one single crochet into the next 3 space. Also done with our third petal. Now repeat same steps for the next 4 petals, just same steps. Also done with our last petal. Now slip stitch, slip stitch. So if you are done with your petals making, just make chain 1 and pull the yarn and cut it. Pull the yarn and cut it. You can also cut your yarn after completing your flower. Now arrange the petals like this. Arrange the petals like this. Arrange these petals. Or you can also arrange petals like this. Also arrange your petals like this. So here I am done with my beautiful Olivia flower. Hope you like my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon too. Till then, bye.